Discover how 3D printed shoes are revolutionizing footwear recycling. 1. Single material designs. 3D printing simplifies recycling by creating shoes from a single, recyclable material, reducing waste. 2. Closed-loop systems. Used shoes can be ground down and reprinted into new pairs, promoting a sustainable production cycle. 3. Reduced landfill waste. Customizable designs minimize excess inventory and discarded stock, lowering environmental impact. 4. Energy-efficient recycling. Advanced printing technology supports eco-friendly reprocessing, cutting energy use compared to traditional recycling methods. Step into a greener future with 3dshoes.com.